Question 561. How do you approach optimizing costs in Azure DevOps for a project with fluctuating resource demands? I would leverage Azure DevOps scale units to dynamically adjust the number of build release agents based on workload, use spot instances for cost-effective compute resources, optimize storage and data transfer costs, and regularly review resource usage to identify and eliminate waste. Question 562. How would you ensure high availability and disaster recovery for Azure DevOps services? I would configure Azure DevOps in a geo-redundant manner across multiple Azure regions, enable Azure DevOps backups and snapshots, implement disaster recovery drills, use Azure Traffic Manager for failover routing, and monitor service health with Azure Monitor. Question 563. Can you describe a time when you had to optimize a slow-performing Azure DevOps pipeline and the steps you took to improve its efficiency? In a previous project, I identified that the pipeline was bottlenecked by a large number of sequential tasks. I optimized the pipeline by parallelizing tasks, introducing caching mechanisms, and using faster build agents, resulting in a significant reduction in build times. Question 564. How do you stay updated with the latest trends and updates in Azure DevOps and related technologies? I regularly attend webinars, conferences, and workshops, follow industry blogs and forums, participate in online communities like GitHub discussions and Stack Overflow, experiment with new features in Azure DevOps labs, and collaborate with colleagues on innovative projects. Question 565. How would you implement automated testing in an Azure DevOps pipeline for a microservices architecture? I would create separate test projects for each microservice, define unit tests, integration tests, and end-to-end tests, configure test stages in the pipeline using test frameworks like XUnit or Nunit, and integrate with Azure DevOps test plans for comprehensive test coverage. Question 566. Can you explain the concept of continuous deployment, CD, and its importance in the CI/CD pipeline? Continuous deployment is the automated process of deploying code changes to production environments without manual intervention. CD ensures that code changes are consistently tested, validated, and deployed to production, enabling faster feedback loops and reducing deployment risks. Question 567. How would you handle a situation where an Azure DevOps pipeline fails during a critical release cycle? I would immediately investigate the cause of the failure, communicate with the team to prioritize and address the issue, roll back to a stable release if necessary, implement a fix, and conduct a postmortem to identify root causes and prevent similar failures in the future. Question 568. What strategies would you employ to ensure the security and compliance of Azure DevOps pipelines in a regulated industry? I would implement security controls like data encryption, access controls, audit logging, and vulnerability scanning, adhere to compliance standards like GDPR or HIPAA, conduct regular security assessments, and document security practices for audits and regulatory requirements. Question 569. How do you approach capacity planning and resource allocation in Azure DevOps for a growing team or project? I would monitor resource utilization metrics, analyze historical data to predict future demands, scale Azure DevOps resources accordingly, use Azure DevOps Analytics to track team productivity, adjust capacity based on workload fluctuations, and collaborate with stakeholders to align resources with project goals. Question 570. Can you discuss a challenging project you worked on as an Azure DevOps engineer and how you overcame technical obstacles to deliver successful outcomes? In a complex migration project, I faced challenges with legacy code compatibility, data migration, and deployment automation. I collaborated with cross-functional teams, conducted thorough testing, implemented gradual rollouts, and leveraged Azure DevOps tools to ensure a seamless transition and successful project delivery. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.